Winning a Stripe dispute is not just about being right. It is about proving you are right to a bank that does not know you. Most people lose these cases because they get emotional or send too much messy information. I am going to show you the exact evidence you need to submit to flip the decision in your favor. And if you stick around until the end, I will share the one specific setting in your checkout process that stops most of these disputes from ever being opened in the first place. Disputes usually happen because of a simple breakdown in communication, or a customer who does not recognize a charge on their bank statement. Think of a dispute like a courtroom, where the judge is a bank employee who has 30 seconds to look at your file. If your evidence is a mess of random screenshots, they will side with the customer every time. Your job is to make their job so easy that they cannot find a reason to rule against you. When you get that red alert in your Stripe dashboard, do not panic. You have a window of about 7 to 21 days to respond. So take a breath and click into the disputes section to see the specific reason for the claim. First, you need to build a proof bundle for the bank. If you sold a physical product, your tracking number is your best friend, but a signed delivery receipt is even better. For digital products, you need to show the bank that the customer actually used what they bought. Pull your server logs to show their IP address, the exact timestamp they logged in, or the confirmation that they clicked the download link. Next, go to your email and find every conversation you had with this person. Take clean screenshots of any messages where they seem happy or confirm they received the item. Now, here is the part everyone forgets. You must include a copy of your terms of service and your refund policy. Highlight the section where it says they agreed to these terms at checkout. Once you have these files, upload them neatly and click Submit. Stripe sends this to the cardholder's bank, and then you wait. It can take up to 75 days to get a final answer, so do not expect a win overnight. To make sure you rarely have to deal with this again, here is the pro tip. Change your statement descriptor in your Stripe settings. Most disputes happen because a customer sees a weird company name on their bank app and thinks it is fraud. Make sure that name matches your website perfectly. Also, always use a tool that requires customers to check a box agreeing to your refund policy before they can click Pay. This creates a digital trail that banks almost never ignore. If you want to keep your account safe, you should also look into how to set up Stripe Radar to block high-risk payments before they even happen.